In primetime news this evening, out of our hands, JDF Coast Guard responds to concerns about chicken container. Public health officials weigh in on water quality debate. And later, group aimed at preventing abortions face harassment.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, online and on air at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, the much talked about Cayman's special economic zone is one step closer to completion. I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
So you weren't here yesterday when I explained that there's a day when it's just a sports report.
I heard you.
You heard?
I did.
And there's a day when it's a big show.
Yes.
It's a big show today. Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Oh, thanks, Archibald. Well, the Reggae Boys, they now know their group opponents for the upcoming CONCACAF Gold Cup. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
I thought he was going to give us a little more. Group A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, I guess we have to stay tuned to Primetime Sports later for that. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Major changes in the weather situation this week, especially across the east. We do have a stationary front that should be bringing some showers and thunderstorms to sections of eastern parishes starting tomorrow, continuing through to about Sunday.
A little rain, I love that. No, there's more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what more can be done to secure Jamaica's shores against potential security threats?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.